Did Costco just change the game in the car detailing industry with these new microfiber towels, or are they even new? So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and talk about it. So it's no surprise and it's nothing new that in the car detailing industry, a bunch of people always goes ahead and grabs the Kirkland microfiber towels as they're cheap, affordable, easy to use, and as well for a pack of 36, it's 18 bucks, so it's roughly about 15 cents a towel, and it's just really that affordable. But pretty much they literally just changed the game. And compared to the Sam's Club towels and the Kirkland makes a much higher quality towel. Although for the Sam's Club, you could go ahead and get different color coordinated towels, while Costco just has this one yellow microfiber towel. But it's still a lot better quality, and you can use this for interior, exterior, on the paint, engine bay cleaning. And I've never had any risk of marring or scratching the paint with these towels. But this is practically what I really wanted to show. They went tagless. So if you're a detailer, you already know the struggles of removing the tags, taking it out the seams to go ahead and prevent scratching or swirling with on the paint or whatever surface you're working on. And Costco literally just went tagless. This is the second pack I opened. This is absolutely insane because I'm not spending 15, 20 minutes of my day to go ahead and remove tags to then go ahead and store them away. So Costco, you finally listen to us detailers. So if you're already using this is obviously a great way, and I'm sure you're going to be happy about it. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think down below in the comment sections, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.